Phytoter is a Colombian company founded in 1996 as a result of a dream inspired by a country that holds over 55,000 species of plants, becoming the first Colombian company dedicated 100% to develop medicinal plant extracts from ancient times that have been used for pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and food products. We work with strategic partners, suppliers and organic producers such as Mogambo, who handles environmentally sustainable polyculture. Phytoter is oriented to the use and sustainability of our native plants, which are privileged when it comes to geographical location and valuable in secondary metabolites. During the preparation of extracts, Phytoter makes a botanical identification analyzing micro and macro morphological vegetable raw materials, ensuring the safety and efficacy of their products. For several consecutive years, Phytoter has the certification of Quality Management System ISO 9001 version 2008, teamed with a group of the most qualified people and totally committed to quality. Phytoter provides all of its customers with the supply of natural assets of the highest quality that meet their needs, specifications, times of delivery, and technical support. The wide range of products includes natural aqueous, alcoholic, hydroalcoholic, and oily extracts oriented to the phytocosmetic, phytotherapy, and food industries. Phytoter offers microbiological services as well as the development of functional mixtures, staffed with highly trained personnel, and a laboratory equipped with the latest technology. Our commitment is to you, the environment, our employees, and quality.